You're probably handing over hundreds of dollars to dealerships for things you could handle yourself. Whether you drive a Ford, a Toyota, or a BMW, you've sat in that waiting room and paid for information you could have in your own hands. This isn't about becoming a mechanic. It's not about knowing everything about cars. It's about having the right tools that tell you exactly what's going on with your car before someone else charges you to find out. 5 cheap tools. Most people completely ignore them. The ones who use them stop getting ripped off. Let's get into it. Tool number 1, the OBD2 scanner. Your car has a brain. It is called the ECU, engine control unit. Every time something goes wrong, that brain writes a fault code, stores it, waits for you to do something about it. Most people never read those codes. They just see the check engine light and drive straight to the dealership. Here is what actually happens there. The mechanic plugs in a scanner, reads the code in 30 seconds, charges you $100 to $150 just for that. They have not fixed anything yet. They just read a code, and you paid over $100 for it. You can buy your own OBD2 scanner for $20 to $30. The VPeak Mini OBD2 and the FixD sensor are 2 solid options. You plug it into a port right under your dashboard. Every car made after 1996 has it. The app on your phone tells you exactly what the fault code means. But here is what most people do not know. A good OBD2 scanner also reads your battery voltage in real time. You open the live data section in the app, and your battery voltage shows up right there on your screen. A healthy battery sits between 12.4 and 12.7 volts when the engine is off. When the engine is running, it should read between 13.7 and 14.7 volts. Anything outside those ranges, and your battery is telling you something. So one tool, one port under your dashboard, and you are reading your engine fault codes and monitoring your battery health at the same time. That is $25 doing the job of 2 separate dealership visits. Tool number 2, a digital tire pressure gauge. Your tires are the only part of your car actually touching the road. Think about that for a second. Every turn, every stop, every mile you drive, it all comes down to 4 contact patches, each one roughly the size of your hand. That is what stands between you and the road at all times. And most people have absolutely no idea what pressure their tires are running at right now. The TPMS warning light on your dashboard, that little tire symbol, only turns on when your tire pressure drops significantly low. By the time that light comes on, you have already been driving on underinflated tires for days, maybe weeks. That whole time, your fuel economy is dropping. Your tires are wearing down unevenly, your braking distance is getting longer, and your car is handling worse than it should. A digital tire pressure gauge costs $10 to $15. The AccuTire MS4021B is accurate, fits in your glove box, and takes 5 seconds per tire to use. You check your tires when they are cold, meaning you have not driven more than 1 mile that morning. You press it onto the valve stem on your tire. The number shows up instantly on the screen. You compare that number to the sticker on the inside of your driver's side door. That sticker tells you exactly what pressure your specific car needs. Low tire pressure is silent. You do not feel it right away, but your car does. Your fuel economy starts dropping. Your tires wear out faster on the edges. Your braking gets slower. All of that happening quietly while you drive around completely unaware. Correct tire pressure improves fuel economy by up to 3%. That adds up over a full year of driving. And uneven tire wear from low pressure costs you anywhere from $400 to $800 in early replacements. A $12 gauge sitting in your glove box stops all of that before it starts. Tool number 3, Portable jump starter pack. Most people find out they need one of these at the worst possible moment. Parking lot. Late at night, middle of nowhere, dead battery, phone at 10%. Nobody is around to help. That is when it hits you that you should have bought one of these months ago. A portable jump starter pack is a small battery pack that fits in your glove box or trunk. You handle this completely on your own. You plug 2 small clamps onto your battery terminals. Red on positive, black on negative. Wait 30 seconds. Turn the key. Your car starts. That is it. You are back on the road by yourself in under 2 minutes. The No-CO Boost Plus GB40 is the one worth buying. It costs around $99 to $109. It starts cars, trucks, and SUVs with engines up to 6 liters. That covers the vast majority of vehicles on the road right now. Ford F-150, Toyota Camry, /Honda Accord, Chevy Silverado, all of them. It also has a USB port built in, so you can charge your phone at the same time. And it holds its charge for up to 1 year sitting in your trunk doing nothing. So you buy it, throw it in your car, and forget about it until the one day you need it. And that day, it saves you completely. A roadside assistance call costs anywhere from $50 to $150 depending on your coverage and location. The No-CO pays for itself the first time you use it. One dead battery situation, and this thing has already made its money back. Tool number 4, a Torquey wrench. Most people think a Torquey wrench is only for professional mechanics. Not true. If you ever change your own tires, rotate them, or do any basic work under your hood, you need one of these in your garage right now. Every single bolt on your car needs a different level of tightness. That tightness is measured in foot-pounds. Your wheel lug nuts, your brake caliper bolts, your oil drain plug. Every one of them has an exact number. Too loose, and that bolt works itself free while you are driving down the highway. Too tight, and you crack something or strip the threads completely. Both of those situations cost you real money to fix. Most people use a regular wrench and just guess. They tighten until it feels tight enough. That is not how this works. Your feelings are not a measurement. Your car does not care how strong you are. It needs the right number every time. A Torquey wrench takes all the guessing out of it permanently. You set the number on the wrench, you tighten the bolt. The moment it hits the exact right tightness, the wrench clicks and stops automatically. Done. Perfect. Every single time. The ePauto half-inch drive Torquey wrench costs around $30 and covers the full range you need for almost all basic car work. Your wheel lug nuts typically need between 80 and 100 foot-pounds, depending on your specific car. Your owner's manual has the exact number. Takes 2 seconds to look up. Someone tightens their lug nuts by hand at home. Feels fine. 2 days later, doing 70 miles per hour on the highway, wheel starts shaking. A lug nut backed itself off. That is a scary situation. A $30 Torquey wrench stops that from ever happening. Every tire shop uses one. Now you can too. Tool number 5. A fuel injector cleaner kit. This is the one that surprises people the most. And this is the one almost nobody talks about. Your car's fuel injectors spray a fine mist of fuel into the engine. That mist needs to be perfectly even, perfectly consistent. When the injectors are clean and working properly, your engine runs smooth. Good fuel economy, strong acceleration, everything feels right. But over time, carbon deposits build up inside those injectors. It happens slowly. You do not notice it happening. The spray pattern gets uneven. Some injectors clog slightly. Your engine starts working harder than it needs to. Your fuel economy drops. Your acceleration feels slightly lazy. Your engine might idle roughly at a stoplight. These are all signs your injectors need attention. A dealership fuel injector cleaning service costs anywhere from $150 to $300. They hook up a machine, run a cleaning solution through your system, and charge you a significant amount for something you can do yourself at home. Liquimoly and BG44K are the two products worth your money here. Real mechanics buy BG44K for their own cars. That tells you everything. A single bottle costs $20 to $30. You pour it into your gas tank at your next fill-up. That is literally it. You drive normally. The solution moves through your fuel system and breaks down all the carbon buildup sitting inside your injectors. Your engine starts getting the clean fuel spray it was designed to get. Do this once every 10,000 to 15,000 miles. Your injectors stay clean. Your fuel economy stays strong. Your engine pulls the way it did when the car was new. So here is where you stand. Right now, you now know about 5 tools that most car owners completely ignore. An OBD2 scanner that reads your car's fault codes before you pay anyone. A tire pressure gauge that keeps your tires healthy and your fuel economy strong. A battery tester that eliminates dead battery surprises. A torque wrench that makes sure every bolt is exactly right. And a fuel injector cleaner that keeps your engine running the way it was built to. All 5 of these tools together cost you under $120. A single dealership visit costs more than that just to walk in the door. You do not need to be a mechanic, you just need the right tools. Like and comment which tool you are buying first.